Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda Civic EG and this is by Hot Wheels from their Silver Line series, and this is based on the Fast and the Furious movie franchise, and it's the 25th anniversary edition of that movie. Again, not the brand, not Hot Wheels. So with that said, let's unbox this. This actually feels full metal because nowadays Hot Wheels is doing the last casting, as you know, in that particular series in full metal. So I really want to see if this is also a full metal casting. So here is the card art. The card art looks really nice. Let me just put this away. Okay, so here is the casting. So out of the box, the casting looks really neat. Again, they went with this gloss black here. I totally forgot how the actual car looks like in that movie because it's a very old movie. I rewatched Tokyo Drift multiple times, but I didn't rewatch. I mean, the first two Fast and the Furious that much. I personally love Tokyo Drift because it doesn't had any familiar faces or someone like that, you know. But that movie looked really awesome, except for the Drift King I'm talking about. I'm talking about the real Drift King, not the actor. Okay, so it this one actually has headlight details. You can see the Honda logo here. It is not messed up, but it could have been a little bit better in my opinion. So it has grill details, you know, they painted on top of it, and it has tail light details as well. It has rear wiper details as well. That looks really good. So it has front wiper as well. You can see the wiper fluid in outlet. So it has sunroof here. Again, this is what I really don't like about Hot Wheels. They are giving all these things here. They could have went with a transparent plastic here for the windshields, but they didn't do that. That would have elevated this casting to a different level because it is a contrast color, and inside it is going to be a black color. You know, the seats and everything. It would look really nice, but they didn't do that. Anyways, okay. So this is a full metal casting, like I mentioned. Metal body and metal chassis, and again the wheels are not anything special or anything spectacular. It is just the same old basic rims. They just changed the color they did for other castings as well. It has rear view mirror details here that looks really good, and the chassis actually has a decent amount of detailing to it, and it has the exhaust here. Looks really good. Let's weigh this casting. I'm hoping this will cross at least 60 grams, 55 to 60 grams. Come on. Oh my god, that is just 44 grams. I was expecting at least 50 grams. Okay, let's roll this car. Okay, it is actually smooth, but it is not fast. It does roll good. The rear wheel wobbles a little bit, so but still it does its job. Okay, I don't hear much noise or anything, just smooth throughout the roll. So it looks really nice. So let's rate this casting again, 10 out of 10. I don't see any issue with it. These are my personal nitpicks which I told. Like, they could have just changed this plastic, and they could have just given a different set of wheels here. But again, as far as the casting goes, it's a 10 out of 10. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.